Caregivers sacrifice their lives for another person to live comfortably. Some lose their jobs, some lose their businesses, and even friends, and they give sacrifice. Some of them even they don't have time with their relatives because they choose to take care of a person with disability. A true example of the character of Jesus Christ. Ndirarikana hĩndĩ ĩrĩa my mother-in-law agetire stroke. For 10 years, I had to leave my work. Nĩguo hote kũmũrora. Tondũ ndakũhota kwĩragarũra, ndakũhota kwaria, ndakũhota gwĩtana. Ũguo, it took sacrifice. So when I talk about caregivers, I know what it is. For 10 years, I had to attend to my mother-in-law. Na ngĩmwĩrorera akoragwo aikarĩte hau, na nĩndĩramuonaga agĩthiĩ na magũrũ. Nĩndĩramuonaga akĩrutĩra wĩra. Na rĩu kũmũtiga hau, it would even kill her. And she lived a decent life. I also appreciate the office of the Member of Parliament, Kangema, and the Hope Mobility Kenya for the organizing this event and the issuance of the wheelchairs and other walking aids to aid mobility of those who are differently abled. The disabled living in the villages and remote parts of Kenya face numerous challenges in their day-to-day life. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to say that the potential of Kenya's population remain largely unexploited. Kenyans are not only book smart, but also innovative and agile, and this includes the people who are differently abled. However, their gifts and talents and abilities are not fully exploited, failing to contribute to the country's economic growth and prosperity. As a nation, we have adapted different actions in advocating for the rights of those who are differently abled. However, I believe that we can adapt more strategic approaches for empowerment. We need to think of more innovative ways of empowering our critical population of differently abled people. The World Health Organization estimates that 1 in 6 people experience significant disability, amounting to 16% of the world's population. Sadly, those who are differently abled are mostly affected by the world and face economic shift, that is, facing economic shifts. They are food insecure, and in times of war, they are the most affected. And we must make sure that their human rights are not violated. It is our work, it is our responsibility, and we are accountable. And we must rise up and make a difference, because God made them different so that we can make a difference in their lives. Let us adopt a strategic approach and identify opportunities brought about by this information technology, the digital age, and enable those who are differently abled to earn a living and live a more comfortable life. We must ask ourselves a critical question that contribute to the global conversation that shape the world we live today. For instance, Kenya hosted the African Climate Summit weeks ago. How can these who are differently abled be able to contribute to climate change actions to fight the devastating effects of climate change? Tũroiga ona thĩinĩ wa rĩera na matũũra, andũ aya no mahote gwĩka maũndũ thĩinĩ wa kũhanda mĩtĩ na maũndũ marĩa mangĩ andũ mekaga. No ithuĩ tũtamaheaga kanya, ũguo tũroiga maheo kanya na monererio na tũmende na to make sure magĩka maũndũ marĩa magũkorwo tũreka ta andũ, onao no andũ metĩkĩrio kũingĩra thĩinĩ wa matũũra thĩinĩ wa macukuru na maũndũ marĩa mothe tugĩte ta thirikari tũreka, kana thĩinĩ wa matũũra na thĩinĩ wa family mũkareka mageka o ta inyuĩ, nĩguo makaiguaga onao me thĩinĩ wa Kenya na me thĩinĩ wa family ona nĩ mendetwo. We also have special Olympic Kenya team, which I am the patron, as I have already told you. Despite their intellectual disability, the team represents Kenya strongly. And we want to say from this next year, we are coming to the villages. Kuma mwaka ũyũ tũthiĩte, nĩ tũkwanjĩrĩria mathako marĩa tugaga unified sports. Harĩa andũ arĩa mena mawathe na arĩa matarĩ na mawathe mathakaga hamwe. Oguo nĩ tũgũka matũũra-inĩ, mũtũrehere ciana icio, arĩa mena wathe na mawathe na arĩa matarĩ, twanjĩrĩrie those special Olympic Games, na nĩ tũgathiĩ nao nja. Nĩ mũgatũrehera aciari? Nĩ mũkũmaruta? Nĩguo Ngai ahote kũhũthĩra iheo iria ciana icio ciĩnacio. As we distribute these assistive devices today, let us continue to advocate for the rights of those who are differently abled. Let us show them love through our actions. Let us